You ready yet?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go check out Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Let's do it. We're gonna go check it out. So Albuquerque is known for, you guys probably know, the balloon fiesta. We are here in May, so we're not going to see that. That's in October, and I think it's for 2 weeks, but that is on my bucket list to do that for sure. So let's get in the truck and go explore Albuquerque.
We got a couple things we're gonna do. One is gonna be check out some food. It's called New Mex, which is
Native
American, I guess.
and
Native American and Spanish food.
Yes.
Sounds quite interesting. And I read some reviews and different things, and it sounds delicious. So.
We'll see.
Nima's not convinced.
I'm a little skeptical.
Nima is skeptical of trying new things.
I am.
And I don't think it's that new. I think it's
gonna
taste a lot like Mexican food. It's just got a little different seasoning, a little different twist to it. What I get, so
we'll see. Let's go. Start this bad boy up.
Welcome to the National Museum of Nuclear Science and History.
Right behind us are two of the bombs that ended the war. The little boy is the green one, and it was the one that was dropped on Hiroshima on August 6th, 1945. And then Fat Man, the yellow one behind us, was dropped on Nagasaki. Is that how you pronounce it? Japan on August 9th, 1945, 3 days later.
Just, wow, just what a pit in my stomach. I mean, there's so much history here, and talks about how the bombs were built and the places that were built, such as Hanford in Washington State.
Yeah.
Very, very close to where we were living and we were raised. And so just a lot of history here.
Yeah. It's incredible. It's you kind of get that eerie feeling a little bit. So it's,
honestly, it's like I've been reading, and it's kind of hard to talk about. I mean, it really leaves a pit in the stomach.
It is.
Anyway.
Well, considering the little boy, the green one, they estimate between 70,000 and 130,000 people died.
Yeah. They definitely explained to us why they thought they needed to use it, and they actually said that they think there was less casualties because they did use it, because the war just would have continued on. It would
have continued on for years, and The Peacemaker served as the United States Air Force's most powerful, accurate, and technologically advanced intercontinental ballistic missile. The first test flight took place in 1983. Peacemakers became operational in 1986. The maximum speed is 15,000 miles per hour. Range is greater than 6,000 miles. It's 71 feet long and weighs 195,000 pounds. Amount of firepower that thing had.
I'm just blown away at what we're seeing. This is a missile, a silo missile.
The pigeons are coming back. They're living inside here.
A nuclear silo missile that was decommissioned in 1982. Is that what you said?
87.
Oh, 87.
Sorry, 87.
1987. Okay. Mm-hmm. But yeah, just crazy how I just never thought I'd be able to be so close to something you just heard about.
Yeah. It's.
But if you're
it's
really
wild.
into this kind of stuff,
if you
plan a whole day.
if you're in Albuquerque, New Mexico,
yeah,
make sure you stop by here.
The tickets are $15 a piece for adults. It's a 24-hour ticket, so
Yep.
come when they open, take a lunch break, come back.
Yep. Which is very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
It is amazing.
Just amazing. They let us get so close and look at things so close.
Can you build something like that, babe?
No.
Oh. You can't build that and put that in the truck so we can go super fast down the road?
I don't think I want to go that fast. What do you got going on there, baby?
I'm building power for my houses.
I guess I'll have to show you how it's done.
Oh, my city's not lit. 2, 1. Okay, get off. Your city is barely lit.
At least I got mine lit. Holy moly. I found it. I wonder what the security is around here.
See, we could take that along with our rocket out there and put it on a truck, and we would get to places like
We don't need the rocket. We had the flux capacitor.
That's
We
true.
have
We
it made.
we just set in the date and the time, and boom, we're there. Huh?
Right. Flux, yeah, the flux capacitor would cut down on travel days.
Yeah, no more driving for 6-7 hours a day. Done.
If I could get this flux capacitor out of here, it'd be mine. Definitely. All right, we made our way to Old Town Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Yep, and it was founded in 1706. It's one of the oldest towns in the nation.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go around here and do a little exploring and see what's what.
Check
Maybe,
it out.
Get a little cold beer.
Yeah.
Kind of warm day. Let's
I've
do
had
it.
enough of nuclear. I need something nuclear in my body.
Yeah, let's hit it. Oh, something's caught Nima's attention.
Just the baskets.
Put your wallet away.
Just the baskets. I think this stuff is cool. I like it, but I don't have no room for it. We're here, we're gonna get some grub, and Nima is parched. So what are we getting?
We're getting its Native American and Spanish flavored type food. It's kind of like a Mexican food mix. I don't know how you, that's kind of what I read.
It says that they serve beer and wine. I was waiting for some mix or some margaritas, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
They call it the Christmas combo.
Yikes. I got pulled pork street tacos. Yum. Okay, y'all. You gotta come here. That was excellent.
It was amazing.
It was. Okay, but it wasn't like a restaurant. I mean, it was a restaurant, but the look of it was more of like a
Cafeteria kind of.
yeah, fast food type of a place.
It was nothing like fast food.
But I mean, you sat down, you got a menu and got all that stuff, and they have beer and wine and stuff. But oh my God, that food was
It was
excellent.
delicious. Yeah.
Yes, it had 4.5 stars on Yelp. That's how we came here, and it well worth the 4.5, 5 stars. I'm gonna give it 5 stars.
Other than my lips are kind of burning. from
from the chilies.
the red chilies and the green chili.
Yeah, but it was
that was good.
Yeah, highly recommend it.
Welcome to Big Spring, Texas.
Yes, we are at a Harvest Host. It is Hangar 25 Air Museum, and they are open from 10 to 3. And unfortunately, we got here past 3, and they said it was okay for us to still come and stay. And there was other people that came after us. But unfortunately, again, we have to leave before 10, so we're not going to be able to participate. So I'm going to check their website to make sure to see if there's like a donation I can do or anything like that. Because Harvest Host, you're supposed to try to participate if you can. So we just unfortunately cannot do it this time around. So we're going to try to figure out something.
Yeah, another big drive day, so let's get on the road.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you next week in San Antonio.
All right, till next time.
Bye.
Bye.